Okay. So now, got my chips. A little bit of napkins. I need some more. What the hell is that brown shit? Okay, so we got sweet teriyaki. We got onions, tomatoes, banana peppers, black olives, lettuce, jalapenos, mayonnaise, and sweet teriyaki sauce. I wanted the All American Club or the Boss. The Boss is like meatball marinara with pepperonis. I like provolone cheese though. Yeah. They eat Subway. And I haven't been eating like I normally do. Maybe we'll get into that one day. It's just all throwing me off. It's cold. But ooh.